Knock knock. Are you guys ready for the snow globe?
Yeah! Yeah!
Good morning. Oh, this is a little more complicated than last week's.
Rain. It's a Christmas tree.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
We have stickies. And the nails
You get the
again.
pin. You get a pin. Let's put on your pin first. Yeah. You're next, Thunder, okay? Take your time.
Oh, that's cute.
You get second.
It's adorable. That's from last week, Thunder. Remember?
Wow.
The cocoa ornaments? Oh, that sounds very nice.
Okay, let me help Thunder.
You have two now. Good job.
Yay!
Christmas tree. Are you
See right here. You get some wood. Put it there. These are like the frames. Oh, that's your pen.
That's now Thunder. Thunder found it. Very pretty. Gorgeous.
Let's
After you know
put
when
on
you
your
shake
pin
it,
first.
Thunder, that's for the white thing. That's for when you shake the ornament. I mean, snow globe. Snowman Christmas tree. Love
Ready?
it.
Wow, you got two pins.
You guys are official builders now.
Okay, let's start. Let's instructions. Oh, this is more complicated.
Oh, lots of names. Yeah. That's a more difficult actually. I know, right?
Okay, find this one, Thunder. Find.
You guys will try to do together. Oh, they also have this one too. Remember the screen,
Find this
baby?
too. Yeah. Yeah, I know.
Good, Thunder.
Thunder, wait. You have to hold this one too.
The blocks.
Copy me, copy me.
So you can hammer the nails. You can hammer the nails in. Daddy's right now learning how to build it. Remember last week it was small? I do remember Santa goes under the tree to give the presents.
Yeah, let's do it. Thunder, look. Look, Clementine, look. Okay, do like this, Thunder. Do like this.
For his vertical bob, like that. Good job. Nice. You're following the directions. Very nice.
Get the nails, Clementine. Give me the hammer.
Hammer.
Okay, ready, Clementine?
Ready from last week, the same as last week. Remember, guys? You guys did a really nice purple ornament.
Hammer it.
Wow, Clementine gave some muscles. Great. Oh, Thunder's also doing his own kind of one. That's nice, Thunder.
Yay!
That's the foundation of the snow globe. It's like a square snow globe. I know.
Okay, Clementine, you ready?
Thunder and Clementine are really great
Okay, hammer it.
builders. This is your second workshop, guys. Christmas workshop. You're up next, Babu.
Get the hammer.
Clementine, hand Thunder the hammer. Give Thunder the hammer, Clementine. Or, you got it? No? Okay, I'll do it.
Okay, go. Okay, go.
Thunder is so strong.
Yeah.
He did it on his own. Good, Thunder. Look at that.
Yay!
Thunder really knows how to make the next step. And that's for when you shake the snow globe. The white styrofoam. Patty cake. Oh, next up is a sticker. Thunder, the sticker, Thunder.
We're gonna get the sticker.
Get the blue sticker,
I'll
Babu.
help you.
Babu, Thunder, find your blue sticker. That one. That one. Like Daddy. Right in the middle, Thunder.
Just one.
Right in the middle. Oh. Wait, it might be the big one. Can you give me the sticker pack, Babu? Oh, that's too small. It has to be the big one.
Yeah.
Daddy said to wait.
Okay,
Thunder chose a different sticker. It's the big one.
Let's return it. This will be later. Okay, next.
Nice, Thunder.
Find this one, Clementine. Observe, Thunder, observe. There.
Another nails and hammer. Good job, Thunder. You found it.
Okay, where's the hammer, Clementine?
Then I'll try next to her. Thunder, they're coming down the hammer. Clementine.
Okay, Clementine, ready? Ready? Okay, her.
Next step, Clementine.
Sit down. Harder. Okay, good. Ready? Good job.
You got it, Thunder. Great.
Okay, next let's get your Christmas tree, Thunder.
Find the
Get your
Christmas
Christmas
tree,
tree.
guys.
No, Christmas tree first.
The Christmas tree, guys.
Then you're gonna
With a sticker?
sticker it.
Sticker,
Here,
Babu,
I'll help you,
sticker.
I'll help you. Here, let me help you. You rip it.
Christmas tree.
Wait. You rip it. Clementine ripped this. She's so harsh.
He's probably
Just face it.
excited. Oh, good job, Thunder. You did it.
Good job.
That's a perfect one. If it's okay. We can fix it.
Yay!
It looks good. But Daddy will fix it a bit, though.
That's good. I will just adjust it. Okay?
Yes, just adjust a little bit. It's good, Thunder. Clementine too.
Okay, next is snowman, Clementine. Let's go to the snowman. Where's the snowman?
Where the snowman
Here,
go,
snowman.
Also
Over
one
there. Let's go to
Thunder.
snowman.
Snowman sticker bottle. Can I see it? Can I see your pieces? Christmas tree and a snowman.
Where's the white?
Oh, there's nothing in the back.
What's the other?
That's okay.
Where's the other sticker?
I think underneath this one.
Oh, here.
Yeah, Santa. Can I see it? Nice,
Problem with them with the
Thunder.
stickers.
Okay.
They're so excited.
They get excited and then they get scripts. Kids love stickers.
Get your box.
It's your box, Babu. Flip it over.
Put it here like that. Here, to Clementine. Go. Insert it. Yeah, insert. That's where the snowman lives.
Oh,
Got it?
nice. Can I see it? Oh, that's cute. Can I see it?
This one's really good. The back.
Hold it. Can I hold
Yeah.
it?
Where's your snowman? Where's your snowman? Give me your snowman.
That's cute. It's very cute.
Look. Show it to camera.
Very beautiful. You guys, that's all the hard work you're doing. It's perfect. You don't want paint? Oh, really? Oh, okay. Only the wood? Baby, Thunder said he wants no paint, only the wood.
It's okay. Clementine, do you like paint?
Thunder wants paint?
Yeah.
Thunder does not want paint. Okay, no paint for Thunder.
Thunder likes the natural good.
The woody look. I think red would look nice, all red. No? Okay, no red. Just the woody look. Oh, because your hands will get dirty. Okay.
Clementine likes pink.
That one's pink? Not red? Pink? Good. Thunder. Like one shot. Remove the blue from that one. You want me to do it for you, Babu? Mommy will do it. You're gonna put the white snow. The white snow.
Yes, the hammer.
But before you put the white snow first, then we close it. You can do this. Open the snow, guys. The fun part.
Yay! Here,
Pour it in.
put it inside.
Pour it, Clementine.
Pour it. Here.
Stuck to her clothes.
Pour it here. Go Thunder. See?
Oh, like Thunder. Good job, Bob. Good job, guys. Nice. Oh. Nice, Bob. Look at that. Styrofoam is sticking everywhere. And can I see, Babu?
Finish everything, Thunder. Finish everything. There's
Daddy
some
said
more.
everything. Okay, okay.
Yours is done, Clementine.
Color. Nice. Red.
Over there.
Thunder wants no paint. No paint.
Oh, you don't want to paint this one?
Do you want to paint or no, Clementine?
You want to paint or no?
She said yes.